Hello guys, Rolly Shares here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a natural makeup that is perfect for beginners and can also help address the smile lines here. Let's get started. I already did my foundation part. I use by Terry. This one color is fair beige. Now let's start with eyeshadow. First, you need to take a matte white eyeshadow like this one. Apply it all over your eyelid, both top and bottom. This helps the eyeshadow you apply next to stand out and stay in place throughout the day. Second step is to reduce the swelling area of the eyelid. Observe where your eyelid is swollen. For me, it is here, here, and here. You only apply the eyeshadow on the swollen area. Do not apply anything on the area that is not swollen. Okay, so I will need to reduce swelling for all this part by applying a darker eyeshadow. How to choose the eyeshadow color for reducing the swelling? It is to choose the color that is one shade darker than your skin color. For me, I will use this color to reduce swelling. Then I apply this color on my swollen eye area. You just tap, tap, tap. You just tap the eyeshadow on the swollen area and do not move yet. Then use the clean side of your brush to spread it out slowly, like this. Backward, forward, slowly to the eyebrow area. Backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. This step is to enlarge your eyes. Okay, next step is to use a light shimmery eyeshadow you like to highlight the areas around the eyes. I use this pink shimmery eyeshadow from Pillow Talk palette from Charlotte Tilbury. You can use anything you like. To find this area, you just squint your eyes. Then this area will appear and you just need to draw a thin line on top of it. We also need to apply this shimmery eyeshadow on the upper eyelid as well, the non-swollen part, like this. Okay, eyeshadow part is done. Moving on to eyeliners. I use Marc Jacobs to line my eyes. I personally think different eyeliners suit different people, so stick with the one that works the best for you. Okay, eyeliner is done. Now it is mascaras. Just curl your eyelashes first and apply mascara you like. Nothing complex. I know you can do it. Just curl the lashes. Okay. Now mascara is done, and then here comes the technique to remove the smile lines. Actually, I learned it from another video and I found it quite useful, so I want to share it with you guys. So first, these lines makes your face look saggy, so you want to lift it back by highlighting certain areas. How? First, you need to find a matte setting powder, something like this, to apply on these areas to reduce the saggy effect your smile lines bring you. Okay, how to find this area? First, you need to know how long is your smile line. For example, this is the length of my smile line, about this. And you go parallel upward, stop at your cheekbone. This is the length of the area that you need to highlight. As for the width, it is the distance between your cheekbone and the center of your eyes. Okay, so this is the width you need to highlight. So basically it's this area that you need to highlight to reverse the saggy effect of the smile line. You apply once, then you observe. If the effect is not very obvious, you apply again. You repeat until you see the result you want. Okay, now we can see we already look better than before, but it's not enough. We need to do a little bit more around the lines. Not only this area we need to highlight, we also need to highlight the smile line area. So you apply the powder. Back and forth. To conceal the smile lines. Okay, you can see this side looks much better than this side. Okay, what you do is copy what we did this side to this side to complete the look, and you will have a natural cute daily makeup. Let me know how you like it if you try it. Okay. Oh, 1 second, forgot the lipstick, but it's nothing special. The most important part, the most important part about this video is to show you guys how to conceal the lines. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope this makeup tutorial was helpful to you. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe and give a thumb up. I will see you in the next video. Bye. I already did my foundation part. I use by Terry.